Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring another recipe. I'm cooking today English roast dinner. So guys, I'm telling you how to cook roast English dinner today, step by step. Very easy way I'm telling you, so you can cook yourself. So let's begin. So guys, for roast dinner I have got baby chicken, almost 2 kg there, baby potatoes with the skin. So guys, you can use another potato as well. I like to cook with the skin. This is very soft skin. So I washed and I cut in 2 pieces like this size. 380 gram broccoli, cauliflower 390 gram, green beans 80 gram, 390 gram carrots. I have pesto gravy granules. This is a gravy. At least 2 spoons of olive oil. I have got this quantity of fresh thyme. I have got this quantity of the fresh rosemary. Got sliced lemon, about 3-4 slices there. Got 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Half teaspoon of salt. 250 cooking butter, but I don't think I'm going to use all. Have a look how much I'm going to use. Hopefully maybe 100 gram I'm going to use. Then I have got roasties busting with herbs and spices. This is a powder. Guys, I'm going to marinate chicken first. So first I have got olive oil here. Then I'm going to add salt there. Then I'm going to put a little bit fresh thyme. Then I'm going to crush the garlic like this. 1 or 2 is enough. Then I'm going to add a few lemon there. Then I'm going to add a little bit rosemary there. Then I'm going to mix all together. If you want to add the black pepper, you can add black pepper as well, but I'm not going to add any black pepper or any chili. This is I'm cooking very traditionally roast chicken. So this is done. This is for topping marinade. Then I'm going to put 1 lemon there and there. This one there. So this is we done marinade. So guys, you can do marinade like that, very simple way. I'm going to put foil paper on the top. Then I'm going to cook in the oven. Then guys, I'm going to cook at least 45 minutes. I'm going to put in the oven. So guys, next I'm going to boil the potatoes. Just cook 5 to 7 minutes for roast potatoes. This is the melted butter. Then this potato I boiled 5 to 7 minutes already. So I'm going to put it straight away there. Make sure it's water drain like that. Then I'm going to put in there. When you put the potato there, butter. Then I'm going to use this one. Then I'm going to sprinkle on top of the potatoes like that. Already salted, mix herbs and spices. There, garlic. Again, you can use the spoon as well. But I'm very comfortable using like this. Then you can use the spoon, but I'm going to use my hand. Then just put straight. Make it straight like this, like this bit in the bottom, so it can be roasted properly. To replace in the Till the water is dry. It's almost cooked now. You can see how beautiful it's look. So guys, finally I'm going to boil the vegetables. You can see I've got already boiled the water there. First I'm going to add carrot and beans. Then let it cook 2 to 3 minutes because carrot and beans takes time to cook. I don't want to add cauliflower and broccoli all together. If you put all together, it's going to overcook because cauliflower and broccoli going to cook very quickly. So guys, it's 5 to 7 minutes. I boiled the carrot and beans. Then now I'm going to add broccoli. Then I'm going to add cauliflower. Then I'm going to mix it. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Not much because in gravy is high salt. So guys, you got optional. You can boil the vegetable, or if you got steamer, you can steam the vegetable. If you like to roast the vegetable, you can roast the vegetable in the oven. So then I'm going to cook another 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, I'm making gravy now. So 2 spoons of gravy I'm going to add that. When you make gravy, it's quite tricky. So we need a very boiling hot water, and we have to whisk very quickly when you add the water. So I'm going to put water little bit, and same time I'm going to whisk. So like this. Otherwise it became long. That's it. Wait. You see, it's done. So guys, the chicken done. So guys, this is the roast chicken, and this is the roast potatoes, and I have got boiled vegetables. So I'm going to dish out and I'm going to put in the plate. So guys, this is the final look. Traditional English roast dinner. Then I'm going to put gravy on the top. If you like to put chili sauce, it's totally optional. Just put gravy on the top like that. This looks yummy. This is a Jasmin plate, so she's not going to put any chili sauce. So guys, you must try this recipe. This is very healthy. There is no oil or any spices. So it's a very good idea if you try to lose weight as well. So I'm ready for my dinner. So guys, I'm going to serve with the garlic bread. I have got garlic bread as well. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, take care everyone. Bye bye.